Feeling overwhelmed? Like your head is a tangled mess of stress and anxiety? What if the best tool to take back control wasn't an app, but a simple pen and paper? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how journaling can help you master your emotions and find calm in the chaos. Welcome back to Awakened Practice. The fix is almost laughably simple: keeping a journal. Getting those swirling thoughts out of your head and onto paper gives you space to actually see them clearly. And there's real science behind it. When you name an emotion in writing, a process called affect labeling, it can dial down its intensity. This engages the thinking part of your brain, helping soothe your fear center. Ready to give it a try? The first technique is the brain dump. Set a timer for 5 or 10 minutes, open a blank page, and just write. Don't worry about grammar or making sense. Is your to-do list a monster? Annoyed with a coworker? Get it on the page to clear out the mental clutter. Next up is feelings identification. Become an emotional detective. Look at what you just wrote and ask, what am I really feeling right now? Simply labeling the emotion, I feel frustrated, I feel disappointed, gives you a sense of power over it. The final technique is the reframe. This is about shifting your perspective. The simplest way is to practice gratitude. End your entry by writing one small positive thing from your day. An amazing cup of coffee. A kind word from a friend. Consistently noting things you're thankful for can genuinely shift your focus. Of course, there's the fear of the blank page. If you sit down, pen in hand, and your mind goes blank, don't let it stop you. Just use a simple prompt. What's one thing on my mind right now? Remember, this isn't about writing a masterpiece. It's about honest expression for your eyes only. So the plan is, start with a brain dump to clear your head. Identify your feelings to understand them, and finish with a reframe to shift perspective. A few minutes a day is all you need. While journaling isn't a replacement for therapy, it's a powerful anchor for managing stress and taking back control of your emotional well-being. You have the power to change your emotional state. Why not start tonight with a single page? If you found this helpful, subscribe. For your first journaling assignment, comment below with one thing you'll write about tonight. Thanks for watching. I'm Dan, a coactive coach. Remember, the mind won't change until you do.